welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and Ammu. Today we are going to make a bachelors friendly chicken recipe, ginger chicken.
We are going to make a quick and easy dish using chicken and simple everyday ingredients we have at home. Bachelors and those who are learning to cook will definitely love this recipe. Let's start making it now.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
I have 1 kg chicken cut and ready in this size. With that, add 200 grams of curd, 50 grams of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, little food color. Mix it all and marinate for 1 hour. Add 4 tablespoons of oil to a pan and heat it. Now the oil is hot. Let's add the marinated chicken to the pan. With that, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Marinated chicken already has 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we added another half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Now close the lid and cook on high flame. Open the lid once in a while and mix it well. We haven't added water, but the water from the chicken and the water from the curd we added. Both together make enough water for the chicken to cook perfectly, so don't add water. Open and mix it occasionally, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. Let's see if it's cooked enough. It has cooked halfway. Cook until it is halfway done in high flame. Let it cook. Now it's half cooked and the water has dried. Now we can cover and keep it on a low flame. 5 minutes have passed since it was kept on a low flame. See if it's cooked.
It's cooked, Ammu.
Now let's add 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of ghee to this and mix it. This won't be too spicy, it will be mild, so it will be good to give to kids and elders at home to eat. Now add this much curry leaves to it. Now mix the curry leaves, pepper powder and ghee nicely. That's it, ginger chicken is ready. See how easily we made the tasty ginger chicken. You should also definitely try making it.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.